So your iPhone is stuck with a black screen, and when you are trying to charge it, it is not charging and it is stuck at 0%. Now the thing we can do to fix this is first of all take a charger, and then you want to put this into the charger port here. And if done correctly and it is working, it will then start charging your phone. But as you can see, mine is not charging with this specific cable here. So what we can do is we can try a separate cable to the one that we are currently using. Now, if you've got an official iPhone charger, this will be the best one to try. So if you've got access to one of those, try that first, and that should then help with the problem that you're having. Now, if this doesn't help, what you can do is put your charger in, and then you want to leave it for a good couple of hours to be able to register that it is charging, right? But you need to make sure first of all that the charger is working. So if you've got another device that takes a USB-C charger, make sure the charger is working first of all, and then if it is, you can then put this into the iPhone, and then you can leave it for a good couple of hours until it starts to charge. Now once it gets a little bit of charging, you can then try and turn the phone on, and then that should then continue to charge as it would normally. Now these are the easiest things that you can try, guys. If this doesn't work and it is currently just a black screen forever, maybe the chances are is that your phone is now bricked and will need help from Apple or something like that, or you may need a total new device. Now that's probably not the problem, so make sure that you try multiple different chargers and charger plugs as well to begin with, and make sure that it is not the cable itself that is causing the problem. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.